In the early to mid-1970s, Amtrak was struggling to find a suitable locomotive that could handle their long and short distance passenger trains. Their F&E units were in a state of disrepair approaching 30 years old, the big and heavy P40F had a whole host of mechanical issues and were prone to derailments, and the P30CH was unreliable, oily, and noisy. In 1975, Electromotive Division introduced the much smaller F40PH, based upon their GP40-2 freight model. One headlining feature of the F40 was its onboard head-end power system that would supply electricity to the passenger cars. This required the prime mover to run at a constant 893 RPM, emitting tons of noise that earned them the nickname Screamer. Upon their introduction to service in 1976, they were often paired with then-new Amfleet cars as they were equipped with head-end power. The units were a great success thanks to their lightweight and smaller 4-axle design, fast acceleration and braking, and their high rates of reliability. This led Amtrak to trade in their P40Fs for F40PHRs and place additional new unit orders from EMD. By 1990, Amtrak possessed a fleet of 216 F40s that became the railroad's primary diesel power until GE's P40DC came along in 1993, the former of which were then converted into non-powered control units. Commuter railroads in Canada's Via Rail took note of Amtrak's success and acquired their own F40PHs with unique specifications throughout the 1970s and 80s. In Via Rail's case, their units were designated F40PH-2D, with just some of the new features including more computerized systems, a new Caterpillar diesel engine and HEP alternator at the rear, and winterization hatches. Since then, Via's F40s have been the poster boy for Canadian passenger trains, seeing rebuilds in their time with current plans to extend their career into 2035. On a similar note, Metra has been a loyal user of the Thunderboxes since the 1970s, receiving their own variant in the form of the F40PHM-2 and continuously rebuilding their fleet to keep Chicago on the move. If you're looking to add a reliable passenger engine to your fleet, Model Train Stuff has a variety of F40 models in stock or available for pre-order from several manufacturers. Don't forget to pick up some matching passenger cars so you can get the people of Plasticville where they need to go. Start your model railroading journey today at modeltrainstuff.com and follow our Facebook and Instagram pages for new product updates, sales, and all things trains.